One of the things that every woman that wants to use castor seed as contraceptive must know is that in keeping pregnancy away, the compounds in the seed take hold of your hormones and control them against pregnancy. So your hormones will constantly stay like that of a woman who is already pregnant. This keeps pregnancy away. When the uterus is not prepared for pregnancy with the hormones that should be present, implantation that follows release of egg in ovulation will not happen. Interestingly, these hormones are also able to return to their normal state when a woman now decides to conceive. All she needs to do is first stop the use of castor seeds and then adjust her diet to balance the hormones that have been altered. For instance, progesterone is a hormone made by the ovaries and the placenta during pregnancy. This hormone will not be available in the uterus until a woman begins to eat foods that will improve its production. Also, this hormone stimulates the thickening of the uterine lining for implantation of a fertilized egg. So by stopping the intake of castor seeds and eating superfoods that will balance your hormones as fast as possible, the effect of castor seeds will be reversed. However, you must be sure age is on your side and also know the particular foods to eat